Hello everyone, I'm Gurdip Singh, Vice President Business Head for TeamLease Services. I'm back with some interesting insight from our recently released Employment Outlook report. As per the report, India has kickstarted FY23 with the country's intent to hire 54% in Q1 and 8% increase compared to the previous quarter. Recall we had talked about during the pre-budget economic survey a forecast of 8 to 8.5% growth in the year FY23 for India, supported by widespread vaccine coverage, supply-side reforms, export growth, appetite for capital expenditure, sans the risk of the global inflation prices from crude oil prices. India is seeing a steady growth in business and hiring sentiments. With the income growth projections and superior export performance over the coming fiscal, the FY23, the manufacturing engineering sector observed the intent to hire 50% of its 25% more compared to the same quarter of the previous year. The sector's intent to hire has also improved compared to previous quarter, which was at 46%. Whereas if you look at the power and energy sector, observe the intent to hire 49%, which is 18% more compared to the same quarter of previous year. The sector's intent to hire has also improved compared to the previous quarter, which was at 40%. Metro and Tier 1 cities see a substantial rise in hiring intent from 73% in the previous quarter to 83% in the current quarter. Following the heats of the metro, Tier 2 cities see a significant rise in intent to hire from 48% to 55% for the forthcoming quarter. That's a 7% change driven by secondary effects of the sentiment growth in the metros. If you were to look at the other geographical areas, Tier 3 also sees an increase of 4% from 30% of last quarter to 34% in the forthcoming quarter, while the hiring intent in rural areas is increased by 2%. Entry-level hiring is expected to be on the rise as we had 10% quarter-on-quarter growth in hiring intent from 43% of the previous quarter to 53% for the forthcoming quarter. And if you have to look at the junior level jobs, it sees a 5% increase from 51% in the forthcoming quarter. Businesses also looking at marginally increasing their mid-level workforce with hiring intent for the category growing to 33% from Q1 22-23. Q1 22-23 sees a considerable rise in hiring talent for engineering roles with 10% quarter-on-quarter increase to 57% and marketing roles with an 8% rise to 53% in Q1 2022-23. Blue-collar roles with a significant 4% increase in hiring talent to 50% and human resource roles with a marginal 2% rise in 21% for the forthcoming quarter bring up the rear. That's all from my side, friends. For more insights, please download our Employment Outlook report and look for it every quarter. Thank you so much and all the very best.